Hey, it's Adam from Buzzy. Two new super exciting features to show you. Firstly, we're going to generate an app which can use a sample recipe one. And the first feature is you can now use the AI to make design changes. So everything from the general theme to targeting specific elements on the screen. We'll have a look at that in a sec. The second is that we've integrated with Adobe Express. So now you can, for the design elements, you can use Adobe Express to do all the cool stuff that Adobe Express does to change that imagery. Let's submit this app and we'll come back in a few minutes and we'll have a look. So the app will go through a quick process. It will generate the definition, or what we call the brief. It will then generate the data tables, the screens, and also some sample data. Okay, let's go. So it took a little under 3 minutes to generate the application, and we're going to have a look at this in the Buzzy workspace. So we've created 32 screens, 3 data tables, 24 components, 16 data fields. And we can see here we've got the starting application. Now, you can manage this within the Buzzy workspace. Includes everything, like there's all the sample data that was generated, and that's all there ready to go. So let's actually have a look over here. We're going to edit this and we can start interacting and changing the design. Now you can get this running on your device. We can see this nice clean design over here. We've got some recipes. We can click into the recipes, and that's pretty cool. So let's have a look at the recipes page and see some of the cool stuff that we can do over here. Now, this over here is a list of recipes. So we've got St. Patrick's Day coming up, and what about if I said something like, give this a St. Patrick's Day theme. And we're going to send that off to the AI, and let's see what it comes back with. Cool, so here it is. Nice green theme. Okay, that's pretty cool. But wouldn't it be cool if we could actually change this image over here? So I'm going to go into edit mode. So this is in tech preview, which means that we haven't fully released it yet, so have a play with it. It's fully integrated for the design images, and we'll enhance this to add more capabilities for content images and some of the other design elements. So now if I go on over here, we'll see this yellow highlight over here, which means that I can click on this item and we can go into the Adobe Express editor. Now there's some quick actions there, like you can crop it or remove the background, change the size, all of those things, again, through Adobe Express. And if we scroll down over here, let's go, oh, perfect. We're going to put a banner. Actually, let's change that to the St. Patrick's Day banner, and I'm just going to click Embed in Buzzy. That's as easy as it is. Obviously, Adobe Express, incredibly powerful tool to be able to allow you to change, add nice design images, content images into your application that make them super slick. Okay, so here we go. Here's our St. Patrick's Day recipe site. So green and gold theme and so on. Now, one thing I will show you is we've updated the documentation, that we've got some example prompts. Have a look at this, because it not only gives you some of the initial prompts just to help you understand how to prompt it and get a better result from Buzzy. There's also some examples of how you can change things like the data model. And then there's some examples over here of things that you can do to the design. So for example, changing a button or an icon and so on. And then if you look at this extended bit over here, it tells you how to target the specific items on the screen just using your commands. Now we will be adding point and click capabilities like I just showed you with Adobe Express. That's coming soon, but have a go with this. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Again, the two things that we gave you there are one, theme changes, and then integration with Adobe Express for your design imagery. Thanks again.